In maths this week, we are going to be learning about time. And here I have a cool clock. Do you like it? Okay, firstly we see that this is the big hand and we have the small hand over here. The big hand is our minute hand and the small hand is our hour hand. These help us tell what time it is. So if we know the big hand or the minute hand is on 12, we know it's on the clock. So we call it o'clock. And if it's on the 1, we know that it's 1 o'clock. Whoops. Then we have 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, keeping it on there. Then we have 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock. The clock goes around the circle in this direction. This is called clockwise. And back to 1 o'clock. We also know that we have 24 hours in the day. So there will be 2 1 o'clocks. This will be in the very early hours of the morning, and this will be in the afternoon. This can be very late at night if it's on this one, and this is midday or noon. This number, this one, 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 and this one are all going to be in the morning. When it hits 12, it becomes 12 p.m. Then we have 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m., and we start again. This becomes 12 a.m. And that's how we know. If it's a.m., it's in the morning. p.m. is afternoon. Stage 1. I am just so busy. I have so many things to do each day. I don't even know where to start. So I came up with an idea to write a schedule for myself. And I'm going to show you my schedule and show you how that works. I think it would be a good idea for you to draw up a schedule for you guys too, to use at home. So maybe if you have some time, you and mom and dad can come up with your own schedule and you can use it to complete your work and to have free time, TV time, lunch time, etc. Are you ready to look at mine? Here I have my daily schedule. So let's see. 6 o'clock, when I wake up and get ready for the day. 7 o'clock, go for a walk. 8 o'clock is time for our online learning. 1 o'clock is lunchtime. Yummy, yummy. 2 o'clock is when I need to check all the work that you guys send me. 3 o'clock, I need to get ready for the next day and make sure that all your videos and everything's ready to go for you. 4 o'clock is a bit of time to relax when I'm super tired. And during this time, I have to do some chores too. 5 o'clock, making dinner, as well as more chores. There's so much work to do in the house. 6 o'clock is when I start to make dinner and get ready and eat my dinner. No, I eat my dinner at 6 o'clock. 6:30 is when I take a shower. 7 o'clock, I watch TV, maybe for about 2 hours. I hope that you watch less. I'm older than you, remember? 9 o'clock is when I get into my bed and I start reading, and 10 o'clock is when I go to sleep. We know that this is in the morning because it only has a 6, and this is at night time because it says 18. So this is 6 o'clock. And this is 6 o'clock. This is 6 a.m. and this one is 6 p.m. And that's how we know the difference. There's a fun game that you can play called Wolfie Wolfie, What's the Time? And I think most of you guys have already played this game at some time, probably in preschool. And a variation for you guys, because you're learning to tell the time and figure it out, is to have a clock, like my clock that I have. And you can say, Wolfie Wolfie, what's the time? And Wolfie can say, show you the clock and say, it's 8 o'clock. I'm sorry if it's the wrong way around. Okay, so Wolfie Wolfie, what's the time? It's 8 o'clock. And when you get to 12 o'clock, you can say it's lunchtime. I'm going to put a little video on for you guys to see how to play the game if you haven't already. And remember, you can use it using your clock, and maybe you can play that game with your family. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Push that button and give us a thumbs up. Let's play this game.
How you play is there's one wolf, they cannot face you. You ask what time it is, they will say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or 4 o'clock, and that's how many steps you will take of the number of o'clock they say.
O'clock. So this should be the wolf. Look at this guy.
Whoa, Gigo.
You look like a cat, actually.
No, I look like a wolf.
Oh, you painted yourself up to be like a wolf?
So I'm a wolf.
So we should let Savannah, since she knows the rules, should we let her be the wolf first, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, Savannah, you get to be the wolf, and we will go back to the line, and let's get this started.
Savannah, I think you forgot a rule.
Oh yeah! If the wolf says dinner time, he will come and chase you, and you guys are trying to come up, these guys are trying to come up and tag me, and they will be the next wolf if they come and tag me.
Oh, did you hear that, Gigo? That's how you become the next wolf. And last rule, no cheating.
No
Let's go.
cheating.
Let's go, let's go, wolf.
Come on.
No, I'm supposed to stay here. Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 3 o'clock. Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 2 o'clock.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
4 o'clock.
Oh!
You got me first.
I got you first, but I'm gonna give it to Canyon. Let's see how well he does, should we? That was an easy game. That was a fast one.
That was pretty
I actually think I saw this guy cheating. There was like 3 or 4 steps.
Eagle.
And you know what? Charlie came and stole our line while we were playing.
Okay, go to the line, everyone.
You can also say dinner time and you can come tag us and then we'll be the wolf. Whoever you tag.
Oh boy, you look like a mean wolf. Remember how to play? Okay, here we go.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 3 o'clock. Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 2 o'clock.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
2 o'clock.
Oh!